What's up guys, we're back with the latest news. Quite a lot to talk about today, including Samsung's current official mention of the Galaxy Note series, which brand has the best under-display camera right now when it comes to quality, plus more stuff. But before we get into that, let's talk about the Galaxy S22 software that is One UI 4.0. The One UI 4.0 based on Android 12 officially got confirmed yesterday, and it's the software which will come right out of the box on the upcoming Galaxy S22 lineup in 2022. As we know, the Galaxy S22 lineup is pretty much the first mobile phones on the planet to have Radeon GPU on board with ray tracing, RDNA2 architecture, and all those console level features. To push everything to its limit and to make sure that nothing ruins this monumental moment, Samsung will do some specific system level improvements on the upcoming One UI 4.0. In addition to AMD GPU, the performance for Snapdragon 888 and Exynos 2100 will be improved as well. We're probably going to see the biggest visual change since the original One UI. Exynos actually talked about some of the features. We've got new design, new icons, new animation, colors, application redesign, privacy module, all that stuff coming with One UI 4.0. I'm excited for this update, and as for the release date, it's gonna come out only a few weeks before the S22 lineup launch, which will take place in early January of next year. Also in the news, Samsung has officially mentioned something about the Note series. Recently, the president of Samsung Mobile Communication himself, TM Rowe, he gave an exclusive interview where he discussed the next era of smartphones plus Samsung's future strategy and plans for 2021. He says that this year, instead of unveiling a new Galaxy Note phone, we will further broaden beloved Note features to more Samsung Galaxy devices, aka the S Pen and S Pen Pro for the S Ultra flagship and Z Fold 3, and in the future it's also going to come to the Galaxy Z Flip. So pretty much right now, the Galaxy Fold 3 in Samsung's eyes is Note's replacement for this year. The Note's comeback will depend on how much success Samsung will see with its Galaxy Z Fold 3. Now, DJ Ko already said something regarding the Note series a couple of months ago that the flagship product will come back, but the timing could be a bit different. So to me, this whole year for Samsung is a major experiment, and I think nothing is final. Also, the way people are still showing love for the Note series, even with Samsung offering S Pen with all their other devices, it definitely means that the Note deserves a comeback, and Samsung kinda underestimated the value of this series. Now, the interview mentioned that Samsung has once again collaborated and partnered with various brands to optimize the Fold experience when it comes to the third-party apps are concerned. I'm really excited to see some software improvements, and I hope by some miracle they optimize Snapchat and Instagram. Now, last but not the least, Exynos posted on Weibo regarding which company has the best under-display camera solution right now. As far as which brand has the most transparent under-display camera, Xiaomi is the best and Samsung is the last one, but when it comes to the quality of photos, in order of best selfie result, it's Samsung, Xiaomi, and then ZTE. If you ask me which one I prefer, I'm definitely on the second group, because to me, the quality of photo is much more important than the camera being fully transparent. I can't wait to see what the actual result will be. Again, we'll find everything out in a couple of days. August 11th is just right around the corner. So that's all the latest news. Samsung is indeed doing their best to optimize the One UI 4.0 specifically for the Galaxy S22 lineup to take advantage of that beast AMD GPU. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe, like this video, and follow me on Instagram. As always, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.